Western Ghats of India and central mountains of Madagascar fit together like a jigsaw puzzle. They have similar length north to south, they have similar elevation profile, and they have similar geological features on both sides. And the reason for this surprising geological similarity is that the process that created the Western Ghats of India is the same process that also broke apart Madagascar from the Indian subcontinent about 90 million years ago. So you see, up until about 90 to 100 million years ago, Madagascar was joined together with the Indian subcontinent, and they were both together located south of the Marion Island, which are located here. And they were moving northeast at the pace of about 10 to 15 centimeters per year in a way where they were about to cross the Marion Islands, the place where Marion Island is today, over next several million years. And Marion Island, where they are located, is a geological hotspot. A geological hotspot on the Earth's surface is a place where, due to exceptionally hot condition in the deeper layer of the Earth, extremely hot rocks, which are called mantle, and lava is constantly trying to push up towards the surface. So when India and Madagascar were crossing Marion hotspot, it was kind of like taking a plastic sheet and moving it over a candle slowly. What would happen? The plastic sheet would break apart. The exact same thing happened with India and Madagascar. When they were moving over this geological hotspot, this mantle, this extremely hot mantle and lava was trying to constantly rise up, and it hit towards the surface where Western Ghats are located today. And because it was extremely hot, it also heat up all the rocks below where Western Ghats are today, and it expanded them, because when something heats up, it expands, and it started to create this dome or a bulge. It started to raise the terrain where Western Ghats and central mountains of Madagascar are located. And eventually this constant bulging, doming and heating process weakened the crust that it completely broke apart. This process is called rifting in geology. And the eastern shoulder of this rift become the Western Ghats of India, and the western part of this rift became the central mountains of Madagascar, parts of the same geological landscape. Thank you.